baby? Are you learning how to sit? Mommy has to hold you with her feet still sometimes. You always fall one way. You can see your long hairs in the sunlight too. Hi. Whoa! Oh no! You gonna sit back up? Ready? Come on. Hi. 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 Yeah. What? Tell me. Tell me some more. Tell me some more. What? Jack? What are you talking about, baby? What are you talking about? Hmm? What? Jack? You can talk to me? Oh, there you're sitting all by yourself. Look at you. Oh, yeah, it's scary. I got my feet there, don't worry. Not that you're ever going to hurt yourself anyways in the foot that you fall. Whoa, you're kind of wobbly. Jack. Jack. Hi, big boy. Hey. Jack. Oh, you're drooling. That's pretty cute. Hi. Hey, baby. It's good. Oh, that's too bright. What? Tell me. Jack, tell Mama. What are you doing? Are you sitting? You got your crinkle block? Hi. Oh. What? Oh. Get you sit back up. Jack. Hi. You want your Bolly Wally? Here's Bolly Wally. Yeah. Uh-oh. There it goes. You guys sit up by yourself. I don't want to hold the baby call. Uh-oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Hey. Jack, what are you doing? You're supposed to be sitting. You're supposed to be sitting. And look what you're doing. Here, let me get my leg. Let me get my leg out, and then you can crawl. To get your Bolly Wally. Get it? Get it? That's the blanket. That's not Bolly Wally. Hey, cutie. Hi, cutie. Whoa, are you going to talk? Let's hear you talk. Jack? Jack, can you say mama? Can you say mama? Can you say dada? Yeah, say mama. Say mama. Quit eating your blanket, you silly. Say mama. Kind of bright here. Say mama. Say mama. Say mama. Say mama. Isn't that funny? What? Can you say dada? Can you say dada? Say hi to him. Yeah, we're going to send him the video to work. Oh no. Yeah? Uh-oh, that doesn't sound happy. I know, it's hard being a baby. Oh, there you go. He's scooting around now. Here, let me grab Bolly Wally. There's Bolly Wally. There you go, silly. You're scooting around. Oh no! There you go. You almost got it. Don't cry. You're doing it. Here. There's Bolly Wally. Jack, you're not even looking anymore. Okay. Jack, you say bye-bye? Jack, let's say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Alright, I guess that was it. Oh, okay.